All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with this front right wheel, you're gonna have your typical wear, a couple little scuffs here and there. Overall though, it looks really good. Typical little swirls from everyday washing, a couple little chips. Looking at that side mirror. Looks gorgeous. A-pillar looks good. Little chip here on the edge. That looks good. Couple little swirls. This is in really good condition. You're gonna see little flaws in here. Overall, that looks amazing. Now there's some hazy stuff going on here. I'm not quite sure what that is. You're gonna see it throughout. Almost looks like little smears, like we didn't wipe it off good, but it is completely wiped off. You're gonna see all these little spots. See some minor spider cracking right there. Scanning the hood, a couple little chips here and there. For the most part, it is in great condition. You're gonna see some of that cloudiness here. Tiny little crack there, but the rest of that looks good. I see some little spider cracks there. I see some little spider cracks here. That light looks good. Scanning that fender, a couple small little scuffs. Typical wear on the wheel, but otherwise clean. Looking at that lower rocker, little chips here and there. You can see the edges right here are kind of peeling up just a little bit. There is a scratch right there. Couple little chips, fingernail scratches. Overall, that looks good. Typical little scuffs and scratches on the wheel. You have some little specks right here. Couple chips. Taillight looks awesome. That one looks good too. Those vents are in great condition. Little swirls here and there. See some small spider cracking in there. All right, checking out the interior. That panel looks really good. Overall, very clean. Typical little scuffs here, but otherwise that's in great condition. That seat looks good. You can see how soft all this is. Now you do have some wear right here on the edge. Try to wipe that material down so you can see it. It's very subtle, but it's still really soft where you can make the lines in it. A couple little scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that seat is in really good condition. You're gonna see a little cracking on the steering wheel. Got to get really close. Overall, besides that, it's in great condition. All of that looks good. That's nice and clean. Absolutely gorgeous in here. All of that looks good. Very, very cool. Here on the passenger door panel, it's in great condition. Looking at the trim here, a couple tiny scuffs, but otherwise really clean. Edge of that looks nice. I do see a little imperfection right here. Seats look amazing. Floor mats look good. Trying to scan all of this on the upper side of the dash. It looks really nice. Now this is loose and popped out, so it's not secure, just kind of sitting there. A couple little scuffs here and there, but otherwise that looks really good. Looking at these back seats. Looks really nice. And then scanning the engine bay, I'll just go through some of this. Looks really good. And then here on the upper side of the vents, you're going to see these little spots.